Hello world, here Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and let's start our live online trading session. And so here we go. So all the indicators are set, all the turbo regime and the amount per trade is set as well. So we are trading 1 minute trades as the shortest trades, shortest periods for our trades that we can enjoy in option trading. And here we go. So let's find some really nice and perfect moment for the overpriced currency pair, and let's find the moment. I will show you how to find the most conservative one in your trading. So let's find some really perfect moment for the trading, and here we go. Really nice trade is opened. You can see how hard is the downtrend right in here, and we are trading in the opposite direction. Yes, and you will see how the situation will develop, will continue developing in this particular situation. We can be definitely 100% sure that we will get the profit with this situation as well. So let's make a rollover for this trade, for the first one. Waiting. Let's make a rollover for this trade. And here we go. You will see that definitely the both trades will be successfully won. Here we go. You can see the trades live opened on the here we go. Yes, both of them, both trades were successfully won. Let's see in the results. So in the closed trades, 2 of 2 trades were successfully won. So it's really easy. It's one of the main strategies in trading, so you can really earn pretty good money in a very short period just by picking some perfect moments on the market like I did. So if you have any questions about this strategy, please give me the message, all your questions about the trading and strategies. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below this video. So we don't really have any possibility to continue trading in this particular situation. So let's find another good moment for trading, and you will see how successful is the strategy and how great it's working on a distance. The trade is opened, so another trade is successfully opened with the same strategy and waiting for the trade to expire. So despite there is a slight uptrend in here, we can be definitely sure that the currency price will go down, and waiting for some 30 seconds more. The volatility is not so high right now. It's European morning, and definitely we can be sure that even in this case we will get the profits with this particular situation. A little bit risky, as we can see. However, you can see that the market is pushing the currency price down in this situation, and we can be definitely sure that it will really work. But it's not working, so let's make one more trade, and you will see that it will really work with the second trade. So maximum 1-2 candles that before we get the exact profit. We get the exact profit with the particular situation. So waiting for the trade to expire, and you can see how hard is the downtrend which is starting. And yes, and you will see that that we will get the profit and will cover the previous loss with our trading strategy. This is pretty standard situation when we do really need sometimes to make a triple trade in trading to cover the previous loss and to get the profit with the next trade and get the profit overall. So let's see in the closed trades. So one trade is lost, and this trade has compensated us, and we got even 1,250 euro profit. So let's continue trading. So I don't really think that we will really need a lot of triple trades in here, because it's pretty rare to go. And let's find some more interesting moment. The main idea is not to forget to get back to the standard amounts you are trading, and here we go. Really nice moment to go. The trade is opened. You can see the open trade on below of your screen. You will see that the market will be pushing the currency price up, waiting for the trade to expire. This is pretty standard. I'm waiting for the trades, for all the trades to expire when there is a situation. Yes, so waiting. So I made a rollover for this trade, so not to lose this particular situation, because you will see that the currency price will continue going for the uptrend, and this is pretty standard situation that the market is fighting for the positions. And you can see, so already both of trades are in a positive zone for us, and so waiting for the trades to expire to be 100% sure that our strategy is really working, and we will not need any triple trades in this situation. So this is pretty standard. We have made everything in a very good way. We have opened the trade on some very low level, and now you can see how the market is forming the uptrend, and we will get in some couple of seconds, we will get the profits with the first trade, and in some 30 seconds more we will get the profit with the second trade as well. So you can see that the strategy is really working, and it's pretty much stable and comfortable on a distance. So as you can see, so we don't really need to make a triple trade in this particular case, and both of the trades will be successfully won. So waiting for a couple of seconds more to be sure that we got the profit with this trade. Here we go. Let's find our results, and it's pretty much a good way of trading. So we have 6 trades, and 5 of them were successfully won. So once again, if you have any questions about this strategy, please give me the message. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. I'm not much in details during the live videos, because I have to make an analysis of market, and all the questions should be really sent to me in a private way. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. So let's find one more situation on the market, and here we go. Really nice moment. The trade is opened. So let's see what's happening on the market. There is a huge uptrend. However, we can be definitely sure that after this kind of a candle, we will get the profit with the situation. So let's make a rollover for this trade as well. And rollover is not really working, but looks like we will not need any rollover for this trade. So it was just like for security reasons to be 100% sure that we will get the profit with this situation. And here we go. yes, we got the profit with this trade as well. So let's see. Yes, 6 trades were successfully won, 1 lost, but we have covered the loss with the triple trade, and we will stop trading with this particular situation. So it looks really nice. So you can see that it's really working on a stable distance, and this is how the trading should be organized. So you have seen with your own eyes that I'm getting the profits with the different situations, but with the same strategy, and this is how the trading should be organized. So you should really trust your strategy. You should really test your strategy with some maybe smaller amounts of money to be sure, to be 100% sure that you are getting profits on a distance, on a stable way, and this is how you will make the trading the way of your lifestyle, and you will make your living by the trading as well. So the same as I'm doing right now, as you can see. So I don't really see any more interesting situations on the market, and so I will not make this video so boring and long, because there are no really suitable situations for us which we would evaluate as a perfect moment for trading. So I'm browsing all the assets, and looks like there are no moments for trading at the moment. No, this is not kind of a good moment for the uptrend, and this is pretty standard. Yeah, probably it will go down, as you can see, but this is not the moment. This is not according to our strategy, because you can see, so the market is still fighting for the uptrend. However, yes, probably it will go into red, and you can see, yes, it's going, but I evaluate this situation as a pretty risky one, and this is why we will not trade this moment.